Aire Technologies is a purpose-built manufacturing company born out of an idea in 2002. Life safety devices utilized in commercial, industrial, and multifamily ductwork for HVAC is a specialty segment of the industry that Aire Technologies would serve. It started with meager beginnings, only being able to build fire dampers and ceiling radiation dampers. Interestingly, the way this whole idea kind of came about, it was a lot of the ductmate core distributors that had influence with ductmate DMI, and they were asking, we'd like to get fire dampers through ductmate, and we have no other sources for them other than the ones that are out there. And so we kind of went at it as, okay, we'll fill that segment, we'll fill their needs. And what we realized quickly was there was a huge top-end growth. Ceiling radiation dampers and fire dampers were just the first step or two getting into it. Getting the wood truss assembly ratings, getting motorized, leakage-rated combination fire and smoke dampers, getting into the louvers, it finished out the entire product offering, and that's where we realized that the growth would come in. Our purpose or our mission to provide solutions to the HVAC industry is at our core. So for us, that's not just the products. It doesn't end with the products. That's the support. That's providing engineering solutions, helping contractors understand which products go where. And that's where we've really built the Aire Technologies brand. We're relied on as a resource. In 2004, we built our first dampers with only 11 people in a small section of the DMI facility and 3 in sales and support in Monongahela, Pennsylvania. You know, we all had to do different things. We all had to answer the phone, enter an order, answer a question about a technical spec, ship samples, answer calls, and work together. And so what I built off of that was that kind of transcended into all of our personnel as we continue to grow. And that's really where that's where I say, we've really kind of cut our teeth, and that's what people come to recognize Aire Technologies for. We now produce 1.1 million products annually with 92 manufacturing personnel, 9 team members in sales, engineering, technical sales, and support in 2 facilities, bringing our total team to 101. Even though our beginnings were small and humble, and we still kind of revert to that. We always rely on that as being our foundation. It really hasn't changed. We continue to look at new products and how can we augment what we have and build on it, make it bigger, offer more, and still do it responsibly. We now hold 3 unique UL files, 2 unique wood truss assembly ratings, 8 AMCA listings, 3 Miami-Dade Notice of Approvals or NOAs for louvers and gravity vents, 1 patent, and 1 trademark. Aire Tech goes to market with 9 manufacturers representatives or rep agencies covering the United States in our core markets. We also have 1 bid and spec agency and 2 more in contract negotiation. And these bid and spec reps or stocking reps will be the future of Aire Technologies' growth by adding the next level of representation and specification influence. Our team and our core values are essential to our success. A belief in providing critical life safety devices manufactured with the highest quality possible and delivered quickly has been our trademark. We're widely recognized in the industry, even as a relative newcomer, having some of the largest premier architectural firms calling out Aire Technologies for the wood truss, floor ceiling, and roof ceiling designs in their buildings. That's where we really get that traction, and that's what I've been really working toward. Yes, our products really mean a lot too. I'm not discounting the products. We have some significant product designs and attributes that contractors and architects desire, and that's really big too. So again, that's where it comes to the whole team, our core values, the way we work together. That's really what I'm most proud of. We're a proud success story of DMI companies in keeping with over 50 years of dedication, integrity, and manufacturing prowess. This year, on August 4th, 2024, Aire Technologies will be 20 years old. This is a platinum anniversary of having delivered 20 years of service, support, and quality. In the beginning, 2004, 2005, 2006, those first couple of years, it was uncertain that we would even last another year. We were not profitable. The sales were not going as robustly as we wanted them to. So low margins, low sales, it's a lose-lose. The margins began to come around, and really what turned that tide was in 2006 we tested our first organic device, tested, passed, and approved, and that was really the beginning where we said, hey, wait a minute, okay, we think we figured this out. So knowing from my early days that I wouldn't say I would have been out of job, but the company may not have lasted much longer. That's why, to me, hitting this mark is really important. It's a great thing to celebrate for us. As we celebrate this milestone, we're filled with anticipation for the future. More products, more devices. We have to go at them in a controlled manner to have a satisfactory ROI to determine which ones will be next. But we continue to develop and build products. Through the acquisition, we still have equipment that we have not completely utilized. We still have louvers that need to be released to the market. I see a much larger bid and spec rep network. Tongue-in-cheek, my goal is to be the largest, the single largest business unit within DMI companies. It might sound crazy, but it's the motivation. It keeps the right foot firmly pressed on the pedal, man. Just go, man, go. That's what we want.